This 2025 Entegra Coach Accolade XL 37K is a Class C RV. It is located in Ladson, South Carolina, 29456 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Charleston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 Entegra Coach Accolade XL 37K is built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.